so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have another on feet look today, and today we're going to be looking at the I don't know, I got mixed feelings about, but the Air Jordan 4 Orchid, man. I like to call them the Pepto-Bismol. I got my daughter, my baby girl, who is going to be doing the on feet today, so we're going to get her input. But before we get up into this detailed look, make sure you guys go ahead and do what we do. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are right under 20K, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button now. So as we take a look at the left exterior of the sneaker, as you can see, is a Jordan 4, and it's predominantly pink. This one is just like the UNC Jordan 4, but this one is a lot more furrier. More, what do you think about this sneaker? Do you like it? What are your thoughts and opinions about it?
Yeah, I like them and I want them. All
right, so she actually likes this sneaker. I'm not a big fan of them because they're a little bit too furry. But as you guys can see right here, we do have this pink upper. It's like a rough, tumbled suede nubuck up here. Really tumbled nubuck. We have the black eyelets right here. We have the pink cage netting. Pink shoelaces, and they do come with an extra black pair. We have the gray cement right here with the black right here on the outsole. Go ahead and turn around to the front, baby, where you can see the front of them. As you guys can see right here, we have the white Jumpman patch right here with the pink Jumpman logo right there, and the flight is in black. Headed down to the pink laces with the black behind the pink netting. So as we look on the inner side of the shoe, we do have the cement spickle spackle gray and black on the cage right here. We have the spickle spackle on the outsole. We have a white outsole right here, and then we have the gray air unit that's sitting in there. And she turns to the back end of the sneaker. These shoes are actually selling for pretty much retail, to be honest with you, unless you're looking for that upper size, which is that ladies 12, which is that man 10.5. For the most part, that's the one that's a little bit more, but it's not even too outrageous or too crazy. But as you guys can see right here on the back end, we do have the Jumpman logo, and then we have the gray spickle spackle in the typical Jordan 4 fashion. Booty looks real nice. They didn't give us the Nike Air branding on here, which is totally fine. All in all, it is a clean sneaker. Go ahead and show them the bottom, baby. Raise up the foot. Okay, as you can see on the bottom, we do have a pink Jumpman logo, hints of black and hints of gray, just your standard Air Jordan 4. But as she just kind of models these shoes a little bit, go ahead and give them a little model. As she models shoes, it is not a just completely horrible sneaker. I think the pink, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, is more Pepto-Bismol pink. Would you agree with that, Amore? That
yes.
It's more Pepto-Bismol pink. It is not a bright pink. It's not a vibrant pink, but they are super furry, and you guys are going to see that when I do an up-close view of these sneakers. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys real quick. Come closer to it, camera, baby, on the side. So as you guys can see right here, as we look at the side of this shoe, let me zoom in real quick. As you guys can see right here, super furry, man. This stuff is thick, you know, but again, not super bad. Now, when we talk about comfortability and stuff like that more, how comfortable are these shoes out from 1 to 10?
Probably like an 8.
So she says that they're 8. Typically, Jordan 4s, when you talk about comfortability, they're going to be right around that 7, 7.5. But if she says an 8 for these, they are not on my feet. We're going to go with baby girl. We're going to say for 8. Sizing, are this true to size? Do these fit good?
Yes.
So true to size for your Jordan 4. If you're going to go for the Orchid Pink Jordan 4s, go true to size. Overall, aesthetically, 1 out of 10. Overall ranking of the shoe, what are you giving it, more?
Probably like a 7.5.
7.5 out of 10. That's what she's gonna give them. I'm gonna give them a 6, just because, again, I don't like the colorway and just not a big fan of them. But y'all, let me know down in the comment section, what are you guys ranking these things if you do have them? And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the box in the up close and personal of the sneaker, and then we're gonna close out this video. All right, so for the box, we have your standard Air Jordan 4 box. It has the flight with the Jumpman logo in red right there. We have the cement spickle spackle across the side. This is the size tag and all of that information if you want to pause the video, if you want to legit check your pair. As we open up this box, nothing new, just a red interior. You have the white paper, and this one has 2 quality control stickers, which I think is just a mistake, man. But that is it for the box. And they do come with a second pair of laces. They come in a lace bag for those of you that's trying to legit check your pair. And they are black laces, which I don't know about the black laces in there, but to each its own. And as I stated, just overall, the shoe is a really nice sneaker. It's just super furry, as you guys can see right here. As we take a look up close and personal look on these things, really furry. So that's kind of like a no-go for me. They're a lot furrier than the UNC Jordan 4s, if you ask me, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below. But as you guys can see, right here on the toe box. These things are super furry, man. But all in all, super dope sneaker for someone like my daughter or someone young or a female, in my opinion. All you guys out there that can pull these off, salute, congratulations. But this, I'm glad they didn't come in my size, extended sizes, because I wasn't tempted to buy them anyway. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 4 Pink Orchid, man. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these things right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth.